Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to embed a video directly into Google Slides. First, navigate to YouTube and locate the video you wish to include. Copy the URL from the address bar by pressing Command-C or Control-C for Windows users. Next, return to your Google Slides presentation, click on the Insert menu, and choose Video. Paste the link into the search field using Command-V and press Enter. Select the video from the list and hit Insert. Once the video is added, you can adjust its size to fit the entire slide. On the right side, you will find various format options. You can choose to have the video play upon clicking or set it to start automatically when the slide transitions. Additionally, you can specify the exact segment you want to show. Simply navigate to your desired start time, such as the 5-minute mark, and select Use Current Time. Do the same for the end point. You can even choose to mute the audio if necessary. That covers the process of adding videos to Google Slides. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.